Today I'm going to show you how to put on and remove the My Two Brows temporary eyebrow tattoos. So you can see they come in different sheets. There are different sizes, there are different colors, there are different shapes that you can choose from. So once you've chosen the size and shape that you want, I'm going to use these extra large ones on the bottom. You'll need water, scissors, and a cloth to dampen. So I'm going to use this bottom one because I'm going to show these on my forearm. I actually still have my eyebrows, and but I still thought this was a very worthwhile product to show you all. So here we go. So you're going to peel the clear liner from the back, and then they'll sort of stick just a little bit to your skin. Now, if you're going to put these on your face, obviously you would separate them and line them up. So then you're going to dampen your cloth, and you're going to dampen that paper. It says to hold that cloth on there for about 15 to 20 seconds. So I'm going to hold it on there, and then I'm going to peel the paper away, and we will see how nicely they adhere. So very, very nice. A little bit closer here where you can see them. So I wanted to spread them with water. They are waterproof. They do not come off. So swimming, showering, whatever, I think they would stay on very nicely. So now I'm going to remove them. I'm using my makeup remover. You can use rubbing alcohol, you can use baby oil, or they do make a smooth remove temporary tattoo removal oil that you can use as well. So I hope that you find this really helpful. I do have an affiliate link if you want to purchase these. They will be in the information box below. Thanks so much for watching.